Respected Principal, teachers, and my dear friends, good morning to all of you. Without labor, nothing prospers. I am very happy that we all have gathered today to celebrate Labour's Day. Firstly, I wish you a happy Labour's Day to all. Today, we have assembled here to honor the great efforts of the laborers. Yes, this day highlight the positive message to society. As you know, Labor Day, which is celebrated on 1st May every year, is also known as May Day or International Workers' Day. Dears, each labor is valued irrespective of their gender, position, or job responsibilities. Remember that there is no disparity between men and women. The workers are considered as a driving force of our economy and industrial progress. Now, I want to shed light on brief history labor struggle. You know, the labor class across the continents were maltreated and were compelled to work 12 to 15 hours per day for 7 days in a week. Even children were forced to work in factories, mills, and mines. Mostly, they were not paid appropriately for their efforts. Many workers used to fall sick and several others lost their lives. However, they decided to protect against this exploitation and united to raise their voice against the atrocity. They formed trade unions and went on strike against this injustice. In my opinion, Labor Day is a celebration of labor's victory after continuous fighting against exploitation. Their rights should be conserved and treated with positive manner. Unfortunately, present working conditions are still not beneficial to the laborers. They are compelled to work extra hours for less money, and income inequality is also increasing. Working people have less time to interact with their kids. Child employment is a severe matter in most of the developing nations. You know, small children under the age of 14 are being involved in work activities. They are ignoring the reality that children are the future and hope of the nation. Millions of children are lacking in primary education and depriving their childhood in our country, which is a terrible warning. These children do not get the opportunity to live a healthy life since they are not delighted physically, intellectually, and culturally in their childhood. Now, I remind you, child labor is a global problem that requires a global solution. We should struggle to ensure affordable jobs with good wages. We should raise our voice for health care when they get sick. We should argue for a secure retirement even if they are not rich. We should fight for the chance to give their kids a better life than we had. And above all, we must be sincere workers and enjoy our job wherever we are and always be a productive citizen of the country. I conclude my speech by quoting of Aristotle. Pleasure in the job puts perfection in the work. Happy Labor Day to all once again. Thank you.